Come on. Tell me about Uncle June.
No, stop it. Stop it. I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
I know you want to.
All right, okay. Gabby Dante's cousin and Bobby go to the same nail parlor. And your uncle... No, I shouldn't say.
Come on,
Tony,
Carmela.
I shouldn't.
Come on.
Okay. Well, let's just say your uncle has acquired a taste for her.
Uncle June gives head.
World class.
The old man's whistling to the wheat field?
Don't be disgusting.
Oh, he's a bushman of the Kalahari.
See, that's why I don't tell you anything, because you don't know when to stop.
Oh, my God, if this ever gets out.
Oh, yeah, like you don't do it. Or any of your friends. Bunch of hypocrites.
Hey, what goes on in this bedroom stays here, and you know that.